Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And Miss Jam Tours been pestering me, been bugging me, been harassing me, been nagging me for Cold Stone ice cream family. So we're gonna go out and get some Cold Stone ice cream. Miss Jam Tours get her cream out with the team.
I'm unable to drive with shoes.
Guy,
People who are there saying, oh, Miss Jam Tours is driving barefoot. It's how I'm feeling comfortable.
Yeah.
And provided a car is moving, whether you have shoes or you don't. Eh? See, provided I'm driving, is there a problem?
Yeah.
Eh? Why is kuja tuende? Kuja tuende.
You said no a while ago when you tried to put it.
Kuja. Shika sweet. Shika sweet. See if I can. Shika sweet. Shika. Shika upemba. Guy. Haya, enda kwa mama. Enda usalimie mama. Sawa? Enda kwa mama. Usibiwe na kimtu.
Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? Now we'll go to the Cold Stone in Surrey Center. But this time we're going to the one that is closer to us, right? This one is on
Gigiri.
It's on Gigiri. It's on UN Road.
Actually, is it on Village Market? I don't know.
Yeah. It's in Village. Where is it? I don't know where it is.
Yes, if I know.
We'll have
you need to do your math.
You have to research it to see where it is, family. But we're going to actually to a Cold Stone. We haven't been there before. We're gonna try it out and see.
A Cold Stone that is.
Yeah.
That is cold.
Yeah, if I was a Miss Jam Tours just driving up to the end of the road, and then I'll take over and I'll take you to the Cold Stone in Gigiri. Let me try and find where it is.
Yeah.
Maybe pull up Waze and see.
Yeah. At least we know up to US Embassy there. From there.
From US Embassy there.
From there we don't know where to go.
Okay.
You remember how I
Wait, did you see the logo somewhere?
No, I googled Cold Stone. So they normally show you where they have their branches. You remember how I woke you up in the middle of the night to ask if you'll buy for me?
Cold Stone.
Cold
Alright,
Stone.
family, so let's go. Cold Stone. UN Kana, Limuru.
Huh?
I think that's the one.
It's the one on
in
Limuru.
Langata to Mombasa Road.
Yeah.
Nairobi.
So we are going to that one on
Limuru Road.
Yeah.
County. They also have it in Village Market too.
So we go
Cold
to
Stone.
Have you seen it in Village Market?
Village Market. I haven't seen it, but it says here it's in there. Cold Stone, Westlands, Cold Stone.
I guess the one in Westlands is that one in Surrey.
Yeah, that one in Westlands. But this one is at Limuru, UN Kana. This one is at UN Kana.
Where is this UN Kana?
Well, it's somewhere there, see there, the Kana there. UN Kana.
But you see when we are taking that where the thing was draining inside. What was it?
Yeah, it's like 14 minutes away from here, family.
Wow.
So 14 minutes away.
It's like we live in UN area.
Cold Stone. So let's go. Miss Jam Tours is gonna drive
Okay, here we go.
Up to there.
Cold Stone. Alright, so let's go, family. Let's go to Cold Stone.
Looks like it's going to do what? To stand up. Looks like it's a fire extinguisher.
hold long on the red button to pause. Yeah, family, so we're actually turning off an UN road behind Runda. This is actually behind Runda. As you can see, it's a little slum area, I would say, ghetto area, as you say. So,
800 meters, turn right.
this is what it is. Waves is on. So what you call here, so sweetie?
Gidogoro.
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 Well, I've said it in Kikuyu.
So it's a Kikuyu name?
Yini Gidogoro.
It's a Kikuyu name.
Gidogoro. That's lamb.
You find most Kikuyu will find here.
Oh, I don't know. In the slum you can find any good.
Yeah, family, so this is
Gidogoro.
and you see the fence there, as you can see the
And
fence.
that's the fence. This is the fence to separate.
Runda,
Runda.
reserved for United Nations area.
See now the houses that you started seeing.
The house that you start seeing. Yeah, there is Runda, border, rich from the poor.
That separates the rich from the poor.
As you can see those cars with red license plates.
In 800
Maybe they
meters,
can return UN.
UN.
turn left.
So as you can see, family, we're going through Runda now to go to Cold Stone.
Get some cold one.
In 200 meters, at the red light, turn left. In 800 meters, turn right.
800 meters, turn right.
So, stones. Then the place looks.
Yeah, there is no traffic. Turn right.
Oh, the road we normally say we want to Nania. Here.
It's not this. The other one.
Are you sure?
Because we're coming back.
Okay, alright. Yeah.
But it say I should actually. It's not this.
No, it's not. It's the other one.
It's the other one. That's the United States.
America. Normally say America.
In 200 meters, turn right.
It's not far, it's right at the corner here. So.
What do I think? So it's here. Here we are turning.
Yeah. It's there. At the corner there. It's there, turn right.
Are you sure it's here?
not.
Oh, it's at the end of the road.
Turn right.
Yeah?
I've seen the coast.
You see it?
No, I'm asking because it's saying you turned right, so
Oh shit. Maybe I should have turned there.
where and it has been dark.
Guy, so there's no place for me to turn.
Well, unless we come back, let me turn off this one so that we help each other. Coldstone.
So we actually find it family.
Finally. Let's look for parking.
And then, turn left.
Right. We went in the gas station. But I think it's the gas station. I don't know.
Alright, not turn over there. So go.
And then, turn
went in the gas station. But I should the gas station.
Alright, not turn them at the
And then turn left.
Right. Went in the gas station. But I should the gas station.
Alright, not turn them at the so let's say at UN corner. It's right here.
It's actually in a corner anyway.
Yeah. And actually give us
Where
the
is
here.
it? Yeah, it gives us the wrong.
There's a parking right beside it.
I think so, yeah.
Parking here.
Can squeeze up this round.
You have reached
Yeah, family. So we just at Cold Stone, and the place is full. It's like Friday evening in Jamaica at Devon House. It's like Friday evening in Jamaica at Devon House. Everybody's here at Cold Stone. Enjoying the Cold Stone. How does it work? Let's say one gets stale ice cream here, so. Steel ice cream.
Thank you.
They don't want to see the ones. The same tapping cone like the last time.
Yeah.
Hi. You pay first or you choose first? Which one? Alright. Old Stone. Choose which one? So you choose first. And then I like this one that has the this one that everybody's ordering. The empty one.
Don't the full one.
Everybody's ordering this one. I guess maybe it is the nicest. Give me the chocolate layer. This one. You want this, the chocolate? Hi. Thank you. Let me have the chocolate and this one. Oh, this guy was here before me. Anyway, let it go. Yeah, sorry.
So you want chocolate? That's maybe something.
Yeah. Which one I want to? Yeah?
Purple velvet looks like it's also done.
Yes. Yes, let me have the chocolate and this one. Yeah. I want it in a cone, this cone.
Oh, for the one. You choose
The smallest portion. Yeah. Put it on the cold stone. Put it on the cold stone. So you feel like, oh, look at it. These are the one that is more selling.
Alright, then let's
You know what? No toppings. Which one is the coconut? Yeah. Coconut cone. Yeah?
Come here.
I don't want to try. Thank you.
Next.
Yes, sweet. Let me have the purple velvet and that one right there. This one, chocolate. Yeah. Coconut cone. Yeah? So which roughly I want to do?
Let me do the rainbow. No, I don't. This is the same
What do you want? Oh, shakes. Milk and Oreo. Yeah, family. So we get our Cold Stone. Miss Jam Tours get our cream. Yeah, family. So this is like a Sunday evening in Jamaica at Devon House. So let's go and enjoy. So yes, it's a Jamaican day. Normally I don't really eat ice cream like that. But Miss Jam Tours craving. Let me want to eat too. So this is Cold Stone. Oh, it's nice. Normally in Jamaica when I eat ice cream I normally eat cookie and cream.
Oh.
It tastes nice.
The one that everybody was taking a show. I guess that's how you know something is not new.
Yeah,
Like the coffee one was still full.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So let us know. If you ever tried Cold Stone ice cream. I guess in every country you have a place for ice cream where everybody rate and go.
Well, yeah, you've seen how, like, yeah, you know, yeah, it's full.
Yeah, the Sunday evening.
Most foreigners and stuff.
Yeah, you see come in. You see them in Jamaica when we go. You cannot leave Jamaica and try Devon House ice cream.
Guess when we go, I'm going to Nania. When I go to Jamaica.
This is the last ice cream you're eating, right? You're not gonna have no more cravings.
I'm not promising.
You're not promising?
Maybe in the middle of the night I'll tell you again I want.
What I like with Cold Stone, I like the cone. This is the cone family.
Looks like
I like the cone. This is very creative.
it's like a biscuit, right?
This is just like one scoop, right?
Yeah,
It's like
it's
half
so
scoop
big.
each. It's very big.
No, it's like they normally put 2 scoops.
It's
Oh,
not
is it a full scoop?
normally
No?
entitled to 1 scoop, sweetie, but they just mix it half each. Yeah, family. So we're actually on UN. This is a place called Gigiri.
Yeah.
And I see some streets that I say I always want to visit
I guess we are going to
and see what it looks like. I'm just going to take a run through, show you what it looks like on that side. So let's go.